Are you ready to learn and spell today? What about you, Norman? We're gonna learn our ABCs, we're gonna listen to the sounds, and we're gonna spell a word. Get those listening ears ready and get ready to learn.
It's circle time, come along, join the fun and sing the song. Norman's here, so come and play. Let's start circle time today.
Hi friends, happy Monday. It's Miss Jen and Norman John. We're glad you could join us for circle time today. I hope you're ready to get up and move because it's time for our morning move song. Good morning, friends. It's time to say hello to Norman and start our day. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to all our friends we see. Say hello to everyone. Learning time is so much fun. Let's read and sing, hip hooray, at the learning barn today. Wave to Norman, wave to me, wave to everybody. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning time is such a treat. Norman wants to know who's here today. Can you tell us your name? That's a nice name. We're glad you're here. Let's sing our welcoming song. We're going to sing the name song. First, we're going to sing about Miss Jen. And then we're going to sing about Norman. And then we're going to sing about you. Are you ready? Let's sing. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. Miss Jen's name is always the same. Miss Jen's name is a happy name. We're going to smile when we sing about who? Miss Jen. Now we're going to sing about Norman. Norman's name is a happy name. Norman's name is always the same. Norman's name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? Norman! And what's your name? That's a nice name. Let's sing about you. Your name is a happy name. Your name is always the same. Your name is a happy name. We're gonna smile when we sing about who? You! Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it stormy out today? Is it windy? Is it snowy? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather like where you live today? Today is sunny at the barn. We love when it's sunshiny at the barn because then we can get out and play and have fun. And also the sunshine helps the different crops grow, or if it's winter time, the sun warms us up. So sunshine is a wonderful time. What is the weather like at your house? Here we are at our calendar where we're gonna figure out what is the day of the week. Are you ready, Norman? What do I need? My pointer stick, that's right. Here's Mr. Pointer. Let's first sing the days of the week song. Are you ready, Norman? All right, let's go sing it. There are 7 days a week. Let's sing about them. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. Great singing, everyone. Did you hear them, Norman? All right, let's just quickly look at our days, and then we're going to figure out the rest of the calendar. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we're still in the month of June. That's right, June. Now, what do we need to find on our calendar so we can figure out the day? Our number. That's right, Norman. Let's look for our number. Is it up here? Nope. We have to look for the very last number. Right here, way down at the bottom. Whoa. All right, let's go all the way up now. Today is Monday. That's right. Today is Monday. Now we have to count to this big number. We have to count pretty fast though because we have a lot of numbers to get through. Are you ready to count with Norman? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Whoa, that's a big number. Can we put that all together? So today is Monday, June 29th. Good job, Norman, and good job to you for counting. Hey, Norman, how are you feeling? Happy. How come you're happy? It's sunshiny. And that makes you happy? Why? I get to play outside on the swings. Oh. And my friends are coming. Wow. That would make me happy too. Are you happy when your friends come over and you get to play and then get to go outside and play? That is so much fun. Do you know what else is fun? Learning. So why don't we keep on learning, and then when we're all done, Norman can go outside and play with his friends. Okay, kids, we're going to sing a song about our head, our shoulders, knees, and toes. Are you ready? All right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we do it a little bit faster? Okay. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. You guys did great on that song. Happy Monday, everyone. Letter Lenny is here with us today with a new discovery letter. Is everybody ready to learn what it is? Yeah! First, let's watch Lenny's favorite song, and then we're going to come back and learn.
Hey kids, it's Letter Lenny. I have a discovery letter for you today. Are you ready to learn?
Letter Lenny loves his letters, yes he does. Letter Lenny, come and learn them all with us. So for the week.
It's Monday, which means it's a new discovery letter today. Are you ready to learn what the discovery letter is for today? Lenny, are you ready to show us?
Yes!
All right, drum roll please. Do you know what letter that is? That's the letter E. The E says eh. The E says eh. Every letter makes a sound. The E says eh. Great job. Lenny, are you ready to have the kids practice printing the letter E?
Yes!
All right, I'm going to put Lenny over in his spot. And what do we need to practice printing? Our pointer finger, that's right. All right, everyone get out their pointer finger. It's like a magic wand. Doo-doo-doo. And we're going to practice printing the letter E. That's right. So we have our uppercase or our capital and our lowercase. We're going to start with the capital letter. So this one has a straight line down, and then we have 3 sideways lines. 1, 2, 3. If you turn that on its side, it's gonna look like an M. Letters are a little bit tricky sometimes where they can look like other letters if you move them around or add extra pieces. So this one, if you turned it on its side, oh, did you see that M flash? It's gonna look like an M. All right, let's practice printing it one more time. A straight line down, over. Miss Jen, we don't do the bottom line first, do we? No. All right, let's try that again. A line down, and we're gonna come back to the top and go across, and then in the middle, across, and then at the bottom, across. And that's our capital E. Our little letter, or lowercase, almost looks like a circle with a line, doesn't it? But if you look right there, there's a space, and we have to make sure we leave that space. So with this one, we're actually going to start in the middle. So we're going to start right here, and we're going to do our line across. And now we're going to add our circle. Go around and around and around, and stop. That one is a little bit tricky, and you really need to control your finger or your pencil when you're printing it. Let's try it one more time. Where are we going to start? In the center. We're going to do our line across, and then we're going to go around and around and around and stop. Just before we get up there, we have to stop. Great printing. Those are tricky ones, so you did a great job today, and we're going to keep practicing it all week. And by the end of the week on Friday, you are going to be a pro at printing the letter E. Now, letter Lenny has 3 E words for us today. Let's look at the pictures and see if we can figure out what E words he brought us. Do you know what that is? That's where we live, our planet. Planet Earth. Earth starts with the letter E. So that is our planet. That is a really cool one, isn't it? Do you see the colors, the blue and the green? So the blue is where all of the water is, and the green is where all of our land is, and then the white, that kind of is the atmosphere and the clouds and stuff like that. So, but the blue and the green, those are the important parts of our planet, because that's where we live. All right, let's see what the second picture is. Do you know what that is on the end of that pencil? We use it if we make a mistake. An eraser. Yes, we use an eraser if we make a mistake, and we just erase it off. Great job. All right, and our third word that Lenny has for us is, do you know what those are? We put them on our head. Uh-oh, I can't hear you when I do that. That's what they're meant to do. They're earphones. So some people put them on their head to block the sound because they don't want to hear loud noises. Other people put them on their head to hear sounds if we're listening to music, or maybe if you're listening to a show, or if you are listening to a story, you might put earphones on. So those are earphones, which means ears also start with E. That's so cool. We actually learned 4 words today. All right, let's see what Learning Tablet has for us. I think it's probably a bunch of E words. So you're gonna have to use your eyes and see if you can spot the different E words that he has for us. The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away the alphabet letters today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So many letters for you and me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Come along and sing with me. Q, R, S, T, U, and V. Letters are as fun as can be. W, X, Y, and Z or Z. Won't you come and sing with me? The alphabet is all around. Letters make a special sound. Now let's learn and sing away with our letter of the day. Let's learn our alphabet. We're going to start up here with Mr. Pointer. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. So that is all of our letters of the alphabet. Why don't we practice their sounds? The A says ah, ah, ah. The B says ba, ba, ba. The C says k, k, k. The D says da, da, da. The E says eh, eh, eh. The F says f, f, f. The G says g, g, g. The H says h, h, h. The I says I, I, I. The J says j, j, j. The K says k, k, k. The L says o, 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 The M says The N says The O says ah. The P says p. The Q says qua. The R says The S says s. The T says t. The U says The V says v. The W says w. The X says x. The Y says y. And the Z says z.
At the learning barn, we read and sing. At the learning barn, let the fun begin. At the learning barn, we laugh and play. At the learning barn, come and join us today.
Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us at the Learning Barn for Circle Time. And don't forget to follow so you don't miss any Circle Time adventures. Bye, friends!